Hey guys, it's Frightmare back again with another game video, and welcome back to Roblox. And today we're gonna play Jigsaw's Revenge. It's time to play a game. What about Monopoly? Sorry? Game of Life? I'm sorry, what are you interested in? Oh! Greetings and welcome. I want to play a game. I have placed the key in 5 of the boxes which are in front of you. In order to find the key, you will have to search within the boxes. Once you find a key, you will be able to escape this room. However, you will have only 60 seconds before the doors will all be locked forever. If you fail to escape this room in time, you will end up rotting in here for good. Let the game begin. Okay. No. Okay, that was quick. And let's go. Okay. The device you are wearing is hooked in your upper jaw and lower jaw. You will have only 60 seconds to remove the device. If you fail to remove the device in time, your mouth will be ripped open. Ew! That sounds like it hurts! Think of it like a reverse bear trap. To remove the device, you will have to use the key which is in front of you. The key can also be used to open the door which is behind you. Outside of your room are 4 doors which lead to the next trial. Once the time frame for removing the device has expired, they will be locked forever. Click the red circles. Okay. Wiggle, 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 wiggle. Wiggle, 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 wiggle. Okay. I hope I'm not too late. Come on, get in the keyhole. Come on, get in the keyhole. Get in the keyhole. Come on. Okay, just in time. Oh, I can see a shotgun in front of us. Oh, I don't want to get shot. In front of you each is a loaded shotgun. Soon, the cube at the top of the cylinder will change its color. Once it does, you will have 10 seconds to press the button, which is colored the same as the cube. Be the 4th to press the correct button, and the shotgun facing you will shoot. Oh no! If you fail to press the correct button in time, the shotgun facing you will shoot. Oh, okay. Oh, pink. Oh, no, come on, not me. Don't choose me. No, not me. No. Oh, ow. Jeez, right in the face. Okay. In front of you are 3 dummies. A black, a red, and a white dummy. Red is my favorite color. The dummy, which is the same color as the door you entered in represents you. Good. Soon, the saws will slowly move towards the dummies. Using the same color keys as your dummy, unlock the locks on your dummy. Once all your locks have been unlocked, the saw approaching your dummy will deactivate. You will have 90 seconds to complete this task. Once you save your dummy, you'll be able to escape this room by using one of the Open Me doors. The first two to escape this room in time will advance to the final test. Okay. That's one. Come on, bony dragon on my shoulder. We better escape this room. I don't want to be rotting in here. I don't want to end up looking like you. Not that you look bad or anything. It may be your style, but I don't think it's my style. Okay. Come on. Okay, that's three. Okay. Come on. Okay. Four. Oh no. Oh, okay. I got one more key. I better save my dummy before he does. Okay. Oh, I'm sorry, man. Oh, I feel guilty now. Oh, Saw. I'm sorry. Let me guess. I have to kill him. Unfortunately for you, only one of you can survive my game. Next to you are a black and white lever. You will be constantly tasked with pulling one of them. React faster than your opponent by pulling the correct lever, and the saw will retreat slightly. The game ends with the demise of one of yourselves. Okay, let's get this over with. Congratulations, you are still alive. Most people are so ungrateful to be alive, but not you, not anymore. Alright guys, be sure to like this video and subscribe for more Frightmare and some more questions in the comments below. Till next time, later Frightmarians.